Hi everybody, welcome back to another video tutorial. I'm here with Cora, and what are we doing today, Cora?
We're gonna make a rubber ducky.
Yes, a rubber ducky. So let's do it. Grab yourself a pen, paper, pencils, markers, whatever you need, and let's begin. So the first thing we'll do is we'll start off with our head. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start a shape like this right up here. We're gonna do a small curve. And this will be kind of like a circle, okay, like a circular shape. And I'm gonna do a couple little hair pieces, little feathery pieces on the head. And then we'll continue around like this. Okay, and then what we can do for the front is we'll extend this down like that, and we want to leave a little bit of an opening. Okay, now we can draw the eye. So you can draw a large eye, a small eye. My eye is going to be like this. It's going to be a big eye. And then inside of my eye, I'm going to do a shape like this. And I'm going to put a highlight right up here like this. And then you can go ahead and color in this bigger, the one in the middle. Okay. All right, so we have our head shape. Now we can draw our beak. So right about here, we don't want to go all the way to the bottom. So we're going to draw our beak out to the left, okay? Okay. So we're going to start somewhere around here, and we're going to come down like that, and we're going to hook it back, and we're going to come down like this.
I have a small beak.
That's okay. And then we'll do the bottom beak. We'll come down like this. And then we're going to round it, and watch this curve. It's going to curve like that. Okay.
It looks so cute.
And I'm just gonna extend my neck like this a little bit, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to round this shape here like this, and we're going to create the chest shape. So we're going to hook this around like this. And we're going to stop because I think we can make some like water, like it's floating in some water. Okay, now the back, we'll come over, we'll start about here, like right around here. And then we will curve like this. And then the tail is going to hook up that. Okay, and then you can have like one tail or like a double tail, or you can do like these little feathers. What do you think you want to do? Do you want to do feathers? Do you want to do like a double tail, or just like a single tail?
Let's do a double tail.
A double tail, okay. So then we'll kind of come down like this, and then we can, from here we can come up a little bit, and then we'll come back down this. Okay, and then this is going to come down to be right about here. Okay, so we'll curve this like this. Hey guys, we're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers this year, so please help us out and click that subscribe button down below. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks. All right, and then now for the wing, right? Because our little rubber ducky has a wing, so we can do a shape like this. So you can come like this, and we'll hook this around like that. Okay, and then we'll do kind of like the tail shapes. We'll do something similar to that. Okay, so we'll almost take this shape and put it right over here, but we're not going to connect the wing at the top. We'll leave it open. So we're going to come up like this, and we're going to come down like that. And then we can come up like this and do another shape like that. Okay, So there's our wing. And now let's do some water. So I will just make some shapes like this. And then we can make you can make a couple other shapes like this and then have these like round like that. And then we'll do a few more like this. And then we'll do another one and the rounds like that. Just so it looks like there's some water. And there's our rubber ducky. How about some eyelashes? You want to do some eyelashes?
Yeah.
All right, so let's go here like this. And you can do your eyelashes backwards. I'm going to do mine forwards like this. So I'm going to do 3 or however you want, however many you want. And then I'm going to do like a little eyebrow shape just like this, hon. Look, see that? It's a little eyebrow shape there.
It looks so pretty.
And that's it. So we just finished Rubber Ducky. That was pretty quick. Huh? You like it?
Mm-hmm. It's so cute.
All right, guys. Cora and I will go and color it in. I'm going to use like a blue color for the eye. And then the Rubber Ducky is obviously yellow and the beak will be orange. Well, there you go, guys. We just finished our rubber duck. What do you think, Cora?
It's so cute.
Yep, I love it. So you guys were following along, and hope yours looks as cool as ours does. I know it does. Subscribe to our channel, click the
Like button
and the
notification bell.
notification bell. That's it. That way you can find out whenever we have new videos. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.